Welcome, here I've got Meizu M8 and let me show you how to change speed of time-lapse video recording at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. We have to change it. Let's do it by using the settings bar and just simply going to right to more. Here we get access to more modes of this camera and one of them is the time-lapse, so let's pick it. Here we are. Now we can start recording this type of video by simply tapping on the big red button at the center, the shutter. To change speed of our time-lapse we have to move to left corner button, and when we pick it we can change the speed between 0 and 5 to 8, so this is wide spectrum. You can stay on whatever you need. For example, let me pick now 1 to show you how it works, and let me start recording. And this is my object. I'm going to move it slowly because the time-lapse should speed up the original video. Now let's stop by tapping again on the shutter button. To see the video, let's move to the right one that follows us straight to the gallery, and here we can play our video by using the center button. As you can see, this is how the time-lapse video looks like with speed 1, so it's really fast. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.